All right, today we're gonna look at the Mellif electric tiller. So this one you do have to plug in, but that's a good thing actually. You get tons of amperage and tons of power through a plug actually. Let's just look at some of the numbers here. So I forget what it advertises, but we're around 16 inches wide, maybe a little bit over 16 inches. I think it advertises 14. So this is like a little bit longer than what it actually advertises. So I'd say around 16 and a half inches wide. And we're looking at about, that says like 9 inches, but let's take off another inch or two. So probably about 7.5 to 8 inches deep you'll be able to go with this. Not in one pass, of course. You probably have to go over maybe 4 inches and then do another 4 inches. But eventually you probably get yourself down about 8 inches. All right. To put it together was actually super simple. That's why I didn't even make a video. It's all these big thumb, screws. You just have screw there, screw there. The nice thing about this as well is for storage. You're not going to be using this every day. I mean, unless you're a farmer, but then you probably have a bigger one. So it's nice that you can basically take this apart for storage. It's also nice that it's electric. So for storage, you can store it like up in a shelf somewhere in your garage, and you're not worrying about all that gas and stuff leaking. So that's one good thing about electric. Now you do have an adjuster here. If we look right here, I can adjust the height. So if I want to go really in, or like really, really far in, I can put my wheels all the way up. This is more of a transporting, I would say, setting down here. And you can see there's your adjustments there. Okay, now let's turn it on. To turn it on, you have a button here, and you have to click it. All right, so I'll just kind of show you. Maybe I'll tilt my light. Let's see how that goes. That was a terrible idea. So there you go. This is the Mellif tiller. Get tilling. Mike and I'm out.